Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to sign up for Bybit. Bybit is one of the top crypto exchanges, one of the top 3. It was founded in 2018, so it's been around about 6 years now. And it's just one of the largest exchanges, most trusted. It has a great user experience, very easy, and it offers everything. Okay, so let's get started. First thing is first. Let me share my screen. When you click on the link in the description, which is my unique affiliate link, it will take you to this page and you will sign up on the right hand side. Let me scroll. You can't, okay, can you see where I'm pointing? I'm gonna go ahead and sign up with my email. You can sign up with your phone, with your mobile. And I'm gonna click go, confirm. Okay. And then it's gonna want to confirm you are a human and not a bot. So you have to put this puzzle into place. Success. Okay. So now it is giving me, I'm going to allow for notifications because we're talking about money and I want Bybit to notify me in all the ways possible if anything's happening with any of my money on this exchange. So I'm going to say allow. This is giving me a little tour. It's and this is my welcome reward. So I'm going to claim my $20 reward. There we go. Yay. Okay, so let's okay, sure, you want to claim it. Fantastic. Oh, but I don't want to use it just yet, so let's back out. So I'm just going to close out of it. I'm sure I can redeem it later. And then at the very top, you're going to see let's go into the whole blast off rewards. As you can see on the screen, let's talk about that in a minute. I will do a separate video walking you through the exchange once I actually start trading for you live. For now, I just want to focus on the identification process, just so you know what all is required. So I'm going to click verify, and it is going to ask me to verify my ID. So I'm going to say yes. Let's verify now. I am going to use ID card. It's recommended anyway. And the requirements, as you can see on the screen, are to use your valid ID, use a different document type if you've already previously verified another Bybit account, and you have to make sure that you upload the original. All of these things. You can't use a student visa, you can't use a working visa or a travel visa. And then you'll be instructed to do a selfie with proper lighting and to frame your face. Okay, let's confirm. It is gonna ask me now, it's gonna take me through all these steps. So I'm gonna say other. Wants me to confirm I read the privacy notice. I'm going to say yes because we have no choice anyway. Bybit can use my camera. That's fine. And it says take a photo of the front side of your ID. Okay, this may not work. So, choking. I will upload manually. Select my country. We're going to use Palau because that is the country of my ID. Palau. Boom. ID card because that's what I have. And then it's going to ask me to take a photo of my ID. It's going to tell me how I should do it. I'm going to do continue by phone. Okay, continue by phone. It's going to ask me to scan this QR code on the screen. So I will do this. Oh, okay, got it. I can't use a VPN on my phone. All right, so now we know. Disconnect from your VPN if you are using one. Okay, so this is really good to know actually. You can't use a VPN which makes sense because it wants to know if you for your security, it wants to know where you're connecting from. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect from my VPN, and I'm going to try again. Let me know if you have questions on how to use a VPN. Okay, now that I scanned the QR code, it's going to ask me to select the country for the issuing country for the ID. So I am currently on my phone, you can't tell, but I am searching for Palau. Found it. ID card. Then it's gonna ask me to take a photo of my ID. I'm gonna say, it's gonna ask me to use my camera. I'm gonna say allow. And then you are going to scan, I don't know if you can see this. You're gonna scan the front of your ID. Okay, it has to be done like just right, you know? Okay. Accept. Let's see if it accepts it. Here we go. They received my document. Fantastic. Now they want a selfie. It's gonna ask me to rotate my head in the selfie. So I'm gonna say I'm ready. I have my camera. It says hold still. I am holding still. Move your head in a circular motion. Got it. Now it's processing, and it says your face scan was complete. It says it's processing my data, and that my verification status will be updated in a few minutes. Okay, so it says I can just stay on the page or go back to view the results. And it will mirror the same information, basically what you're seeing on my screen. Okay, so this is going on, and I'm gonna click here just so that I can go back to it in a minute. Okay, good news. My account has been verified. So I'm gonna share my screen with you one more time. This probably took me it took them about 10 minutes to verify me. Just fantastic for you to know how long this will actually take. If you take a look at my screen, you will see that I was verified for what is level 1. There are 2 levels. For now, what you can see here, see it says current benefits, right? So for now, I can deposit 10,000 US dollars in fiat, like US dollars, traditional dollars, up to $10,000, and I can withdraw from Bybit exchange up to $1 million USDT, so in crypto USDT. Once I verify my address, I will have a $200,000 US dollars daily fiat deposit limit, limit. And once I do verify level 2, I will have a $2 million USDT withdrawal ability, which we will worry about later. For now, let's just get going. Let's do what we all care about most in this video, is how do we receive, like how do we send ourselves crypto to start trading? So to do that, you would go to deposit, as you saw me do on the upper right hand corner in yellow. You would pick what you want to send yourself. In my case, I would pick USDT, and then it will ask you to pick what chain you want to send yourself this crypto in, and this is extremely important. I'm going to pick ERC20, which is Ethereum. Okay. This is extremely important. I cannot stress this enough, because if you pick, for instance, Solana, or you pick BSC, right? This is the chain, Binance chain you want to send yourself this crypto on. and say you actually send yourself USDT, but on Ethereum, which is known as ERC20, that money will be lost. You will not receive that money. It's gone forever into the ethers. And this is terrifying because it's money. Super terrifying. I have done this before in my early days, which is why I'm making this video for you, so it does not happen to you. So you have to always check and check again, confirm what you want to send yourself, what chain you're going to send yourself this crypto on, or you're going to have someone else send to you on. They're going to ask you what chain, and you just make sure that it's the right chain you pick, okay? Because the address will be different for all of them. And then here it will say, it wants you to acknowledge. Crypto is all about like alerts and like verification. So it's going to say that deposits will be automatically redirected to the funding account. Your deposit history can be viewed under the funding account. So it's telling you where to go, okay? So here it's going to tell you, you know, where it's going to be channeled to funding, how many confirmations will have to happen, 6 confirmations, all these details, okay? So we're going to say, okay, acknowledge. And then this is your USDT on Ethereum only receiving address. And you have 2 options. You can copy it, click, it says copied successfully, and this is what you would paste into your MetaMask where it says send, where I showed you before how to do it on my MetaMask video. You would copy this address, you would put it in there, and you would make sure you're sending on Ethereum network. Or you can also scan. So this is, maybe I'll make a video on this later. Let me know if you want me to do it. But from within MetaMask, you can also scan a QR code for the address you want to send crypto to. But once again, this QR code is only going to work for Ethereum network. So you would copy it, and that's it. You would go over to your MetaMask or whatever other crypto exchange, or to your friend or to your boyfriend or to whoever's going to help you if it's not yourself, okay? And you would copy and or send this address, and then this is what would allow you to receive that crypto into your Bybit account. Yeah, and that's it, pretty much. I wish I could show you how to do it, but I do have a MetaMask video on how to send crypto. So I'd encourage you to go watch it. I'll link it below once again, or just go back to my channel. It's just like really easy to find. It says MetaMask, how to use MetaMask. And yeah, that's it. It may take you through a few confirmations to make sure it's really you. In some cases, it may send you an email, and it will tell you it sent you an email to verify that, to have you verify that you want to send. Oh, sorry, this is when you're sending. So if I was sending, because once again, this is to receive crypto, but say I was sending crypto, which I don't have any crypto loaded within my Bybit account, right? So I can't send crypto right now. But if I did and I wanted to send crypto, it would most likely, this happens on other exchanges, I'm not sure, so maybe I'll make a video on this for you. It may send you an email to verify that it's actually you wanting to send this crypto to someone else or to another exchange. All you would do is click on the link from within, and it would have you confirm it, and then it would send. So very, very easy. But always make sure you read everything on the screen. Everything's super clear. The network is confirmed. You copied it. And even when you paste it and you're sending it, check the first 4 digits and check the last 4 digits and make sure it matches the address that they're giving you on the screen, okay? Because otherwise, like, bye, that money's gone forever. And that's it. Let me know. I won't just make it to make it, but let me know if you want me to make a video on how to also send crypto. Now that I'm set up on Bybit, I will start opening some long positions. I'll explain what that is to you. Some shorts, depending on how the market's doing, and maybe I will also do some leverage, which is not for everybody, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. But first, I just wanted to show you these fundamentals, how to set up an account and how to send, and the differences in the networks. Okay, so yeah, I will see you here soon. We'll be covering Binance. I know I made a video on BNB coin and Binance chain and the history there. But I'm gonna actually make an account. So I'll show you how to make an account within Binance as well, and also how to send, but it's pretty much gonna be a similar process. And then we're gonna cover Mantis network, Aptos, and we'll be covering Arbitrum soon. And I'll just kind of give you the 411 on who they are, why people care about them, and how you should see all of these tokens. Are they, like how new are they? Would they be considered a pump and dump? Are they, how risky are they? And are they like a long-term hold, or how am I viewing them anyway? That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you here soon. All right, thank you so much, and talk to you soon.